to start today with a quick dash.
Create your order by clicking on the cards.
Okay, I want you to say the cards as I
the
click on
font style.
Okay, let's do a quick dash. I'm going to show you the character. Tell me the character's name. I'm going to show you, say sound. I want you to say the sound. And then I'm going to say spelling. I want you to tell me how it's spelled. Okay, character, Annie Apple. Sound, A, spelling, A. Character, Bouncy Ben. Sound, B, spelling, B. Character, Clever Cat. Sound, K, spelling, C. Character, Eddie Elephant. Sound, E, spelling, E. Character, Impy Ink. Sound, I, spelling, I. Character, Noisy Nick. Sound, N, spelling, N. Character, Peter Puppy. Sound, P, spelling, P. Character, Red Robot. Sound, R, spelling, R. Characters, Mr. A and Mr. I. Sound, A, spelling, A-I. Characters, Mr. A, Yellow Yo-Yo Man. Sound, A, spelling, A-Y. Characters, Mr. E and Mr. A. Sound, E, spelling, E-A. Characters, Mr. E and his brother Mr. E. Sound, E, spelling, E-E. Okay, let's get rid of that character again. Okay, we went through them all. I'm going to click through them. I took the characters away. I'm going to click through them, and I want you to tell me what the sounds are. 1, 2, ready, go. E, E, A, R, P, N, I, E, K, B, A. Very good. Let's go through them again. Let's do it just a little bit quicker this time. 1, 2, ready, go. A, B, K, E, I, N, P, R, A, E, E. Okay, I'm going to go through them again, and I want you to see if you can do them all by yourself this time. I'm not going to say anything. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, excellent. Let's see if we can do them this time together. One more time. 1, 2, ready, go. A, B, K, E, I, N, P, R, A, E, E. Very good. Okay, now we're going to go back and we're going to see what the words are for today. Or for this week. We're going to read them again.
Are you ready to quit? Click the tick for yes or the bye-bye. See you again soon.
Okay, so today, these are the words we have. Normally we do robot racers, and we're still going to do robot racers, but of course you're not going to be up and moving like we normally are, but if you can get up and move right now, it would be okay. Okay, so you're going to do rusty robots first, so we're going to read them slow. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Tricky words for review. Hour. Listen, there, little, along. Tricky words. saw, give. Review words. Meet, read, each, real. Huge, those, whole, race. Okay, this is list A. These are the words we've been working with AI and AY all week. Let's read them. Wait, day, train, tail, play. Say, paint, staying, afraid, waiting. Okay, here's list B. Rain, pay, mail, way, may. Away, painting, tray, bait, main. Let's see. Nail, always, stay, clay, pain, trail, wait, playing, okay, lay. Okay, new sentences. We saw a very fast train. Sentence 2. Did you give her the mail? And down here at the bottom, we have our story words. Teacher, farm, barn, milk, and farmers. Okay, that was Rusty Robots. Okay, now we're going to be Robots Getting Ready, which is a little bit faster. 1, 2, ready, go. Our, listen, there, little, along, saw, give. Meet, read, each, real, huge, those, whole, race. Make sure you're reading along with me. Wait, day, train, tail, play. Say, paint, staying, afraid, waiting. Rain, pay, mail, way, may. Away, painting, tray, bait, main. Nail, always, stay, clay, pain. Trail, wait, playing, okay, lay. Sentences. We saw a very fast train. Number 2. Did you give her the mail? And the story words, teacher, farm, barn, milk, farmers. Okay, this time we're going to be racing robots. And remember, racing robots are really fast. Let's see if you can keep up with us and do these quickly. If you can't keep up and you get lost, just pay attention on the screen because I'm moving. You can see where my little yellow circle is. 1, 2, ready, go. Our, listen, there, little, along, saw, give. Meet, read, each, real, huge, those, whole, race. Wait, day, train, tail, play, say, paint, staying, afraid, waiting. Rain, pay, mail, way, may. Away, painting, tray, bait, main. Nail, always, stay, clay, pain. Trail, wait, playing, okay, lay. We saw a very fast train. Did you give her the mail? Teacher, farm, barn, milk, farmers. Excellent. I hope you can read that pretty fast. If you need to keep practicing it, that's okay. You can keep practicing it. Okay, so we're going to go back to the story for this week, and I'm going to talk to you and read to you that story. The name of the story for this week is The Farm Trip. And this is a story that a class of children like you wrote when they went on a trip to the farm. Now, let's think about things that you might see at the farm. I think about horses. I like horses, chickens, goats, horses. Sometimes you see a dog there. Sometimes you see a cat. Some people even see llamas on a farm. Let's see what these children saw on the farm. I'm going to read this story to you first, and I just want you to follow. Ready? The farm trip. The teacher said we would go on a trip to a farm. We would take a train. We had to wait for 9 days. At last the day came. Away we went on the train. We saw the main barn. The cows gave their milk there. Their tails swish and sway while they give milk. Tim was afraid for a while, but then he was okay. We saw chicks and hens. The hens say cluck, cluck, and lay eggs all day. Then we had the best treat. We got to play in the hay. Then we rode home. We sent thank you notes in the mail to the farmers. Very good. That's a cute story. Now, they said an animal that I didn't think of whenever I was sitting here thinking about it. I bet you guessed that word was cows. And well, I said chicks, but they named actually the big chicks and the hens, the big chicks and the hens. So that's awesome. And they got another treat for the day. Remember what their treat was? They got to play in the hay. And I want you to think about what they did when they got back. What did they do when they got back from the farm? Yes, they sent thank you notes in the mail to the farmers, which is a very polite thing to do. Okay, we're going to read this again. I'm going to read, and I'm going to stop at a word. And when I stop at that word, I want you to read it. And then I'm going to keep going. 1, 2, ready, go. The teacher said we could go on a trip to a farm. We would take a train. We had to wait for 9 days. At last the day came. Away we went on the train. We saw the main barn. The cows gave their milk there. Their tails swish and sway while they give milk. Tim was afraid for a while, but then he was okay. We saw chicks and hens. The hens say cluck, cluck, and lay eggs all day. Then we had the best treat. We got to play in the hay. Then we rode home. We sent thank you notes in the mail to the farmers. Actually, you guys did an excellent job. I'm sure. I hope your parents were listening to you. Now I want you to take this story and I want you to practice it until you can read it really well, which means you can read it with some fluency. And remember what fluency means. Fluency means that you're reading like you're talking.